Welcome back, YouTube. This is our first Weekaroo vlog with our brand new camera. Hold on, I can change. Or not. Oh wait, there. Ooh, I can change the exposure on the lens now. Mommy, I know, I'm very excited. No, you don't approve?
No, camera day.
Oh, okay. Well, I just wanted to say that I got done with my doctor's appointment. Woo! You gotta get your asthma inhalers refilled. PSA, anybody with asthma, make sure it's up to date. Make sure you have enough inhalers around your house and in your bags for safety. Where are we going, Abraham?
No.
Where are we gonna go?
No, come on.
Well, but first you have to remind me, where are we going? Are we going to the vegetable factory?
No, stop.
What should we go eat? He was adorably saying cherry on top. We're gonna go have an ice cream sundae and have a little nibble, and we're at our favorite little ice cream sundae spot. Ooh. Okay, I'm not allowed to speak anymore. Oh no, I'm running out of battery. This may be a short Monday fun day. Oh my god, I can say fun day for any day of the week. My mind has been blown. But welcome back. I've missed you, Weekaroos.
Okay.
No? What are you eating? The cherry? Are we a grumpy cherry puss? No? Okay. What is the best part of sundaes? Is it the cherry or the whipped cream? This is kind of a killer sundae, isn't it? Here you go. Give that to me. We'll put it on this little napkin. Yeah, you want to take your first scoop?
Yes.
Okay. What's your first bite gonna be?
I know.
Wow. Do you want to talk to the camera or should you decide? What do you think? That's your thought? Oh no, that's your spoon. Are you offering them a bite? That's really tasty. Okay, now you have to eat it. They can't eat it, it's a camera. You have to eat it. Oh, don't let it fall down, you want to eat it. You want to eat it. You do.
Eat this.
Oh no, I think we're kind of out-sweetened. This is a new type of sundae for us, and I think it's kind of, is it too sweet, Bubba Goo?
No, good.
No, it's good? I think it's kind of too sweet. Okay, you have to eat that part though, because the camera can't actually eat it.
Huh?
It's got toffee, brownies, fudge, caramel, whipped cream, and marshmallow sauce on chocolate ice cream. And I gotta say, okay, you are that, and I gotta say, it's too much for me. Oh my god, it's intense. We've tried the different flavors here, and this one is great, but I feel like it's more than we two can take out.
No, me, Mom.
We can take it out together? We can eat it? We can put it in our tummies? We're gonna need to do a lot of gardening to make up for this, I think. That's my suspicion. Whoa, that's really bright. Okay, that's a little less bright, but that is exceptionally bright. Hey, welcome back. So woo, we survived the insanity that was that Sunday. We took it home. That's what we did. Well, actually, I took it to a friend's freezer because I'm watering a vegetable patch. It's kind of our allotment plot, so it's not, you know, at our house. And then I thought I would kidnap a friend's exercise bike while I was nearby and get on the exercise bike because that was a lot of brownie. I'm not sure how that's the exercise bike. That I can handle that much sundae brownie caramel toffee sundae. Yes, love monkey. So we're gonna do a quick little workout. I'm gonna work on some outlines for my next book because I like to take a break from editing the book that I am, my sci-fi one that I'm editing now because I finished writing it, and then I have to do an edit before it can go to beta readers or any other editors. And I like to take a break so my brain isn't totally frying that. And then I write a little, like, I write the outline for the next book. This is gonna be so good. It takes place in Italy. Oh yeah, one of my favorite countries in the whole wide world. and it involves some time travel and zip paranormal. It's going to be awesome. I'm really excited. I'm very excited for it. I've got the beta version of the cover that I got back, and I'm really excited for the direction it's going in. Woo. Hey, Babagoo, what you doing? It's scary. What's he doing? Sometimes I don't want to know. I'll be honest. All right, let's get this workout on. Oh yeah.
My turn.
You like to? Abraham wants a turn on here. Would you be a good exercise companion?
Oh yeah, let's go.
I agree, he would be. Be a good assistant. I'm just like wearing my yoga pants that I happen to have, the diaper bag, and my doctor's appointment shirt. Because I'm like, you know what? I realized there was an exercise bike here, and woo, I'm gonna get some exercise. Because I missed the gym time today because we went and did the Sunday instead, and we played in water gardens. So sometimes for me it's just like getting 20 minutes in. It's just something. Sometimes it's 10 minutes. Just borrowing some of the kids at this house is letting little jump rockets. They're being naughty. So what are some of your exercise goals? What are your accomplishments this week for exercising? What have you gotten done that you're really proud of? That makes you feel fit and makes you feel wonderful. I'd love to hear. Tell me in the comments. Because I love to share not kind of unattainable fitnessy goals. That's not what I look like. But attainable, encouraging things that aren't meant to body shame or punish anybody. Our bodies are all different. It's just about being healthy and fit. Do you see pajamas? Okay, I think we're getting closer. It looks like it could be pajamas. Spoolie, you need those underwear?
Yep.
Those are the undies for you. Okay, here's kids section.
Anyhow,
okay, what are we doing, Abraham? We're gonna find matching pajamas for our camping trip, guys. We are in the fabulous land of Target. If we can find the pajama section, which is okay, here's pajama section for you. Woo, woo. Mild success.
These are cute.
Those are cute.
Like cotton. Like something else.
Huh.
Carter's. It's a reputable brand.
I guess we really need to look at like the little kids section because he's not a toddler. I mean, he is, but he doesn't fit in toddler clothes. It's the problem of having a giant monkey. Oh wait, I'm trying to crop you out so you aren't in my vlog. Because some people are private. Okay, I think we're actually getting smaller the further we go down here. Oh, okay, wait. This doesn't fit anybody I know, but I don't care. It's got little. Okay, that's adorable. Oh my god. Oh no, I can't blame you. Of course he does. Yeah?
Me want you come.
Okay. Yeah, well let's go try to find him. Do I need to get anything else? I was thinking of getting that. Okay, did we get everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. For the record, picking stuff out for teachers is really hard. What do you give them to say, you haven't eaten my child, thank you? What do you give them? I don't know.
Ice cream.
You should give them ice cream. I think he has the right idea for what to give them. It is. It's crazy to pick out stuff for teachers. Okay, I think we're set. I think we can go on and get our camping gear. Yay, let's go. Don't let that back. You want some pepper and you promise to not open it? You have to be good. Good job. So, whew, you came along, you survived with me, you did it. I believe in y'all. I finally got all the stuff for the teachers. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you kind of what I'm doing with each one. So let me give you an idea. So I got little hand lotions of different types. I got different colors of nail polish that are similar but different for everybody's skin tone. I got little Morning Burst facial scrubs because I love a good exfoliator. I got Little Mermaid sparkle nails because both of these teachers have young kids, young girls that I think this will be fun to do with. I got a hydrating mask for each teacher. I got thank you cards for each one. I love these unicorn ones. Target has the cutest cards. I so frequently get them at the dollar store, but man, you really actually get a lot more for your money, and they are so much cuter there. I'm also taking the time to write out my Father's Day cards for my dad, one for Grandpa too, because, hold on, I'm going to turn it down, just so I get those out the mail, they actually get to my dad. But yeah, Target I think has a great deal on these little cards. They're like $2.99, $3 for all these cards. Get a little envelope with them. And, you know, dollar store is great, but it has really limited selection, and I just thought that these were really cute. These are adorable. I'll use them all year long to mail things out to people, because I do like to do a lot of written correspondence. I've talked about that before. So the next part is I'm putting everything in little tiny spotted bags, and I'll show you. I'm also putting in a little snack for, it's a horrible angle, well, teachers. So I'm putting in, it's been slightly chewed upon by my child while it was wrapped, so it's not too badly chewed upon, but toddler life. So I did little Trader Joe's crispy rice and chocolate, and I did dark chocolate with almonds, which I just thought, you know, everybody loves a little spa time. Do your nails, do a little facey scrub. You can use these to polish up your nails first and your toenails. You can do a little face mask, a little hand lotion, because I feel like teachers always need hand lotion because they're washing their hands constantly. It's a nice thing to just put in your purse. Even if you have a little tiny purse, you can put a little one in there. And, you know, it came out to a little more than I thought it was going to, but I think overall it's worth it to say thank you to people that are taking care of your kid. My kid does his little 2-hour preschool that works on his language and his motor skills and his development, and it has been so valuable because it's really helped him be able to communicate in ways that I work on at home all the time, right? He's with me all the time, but this little 2-hour class does such a big difference for him because it's other people reinforcing what I'm teaching and teaching it in different ways and having unique perspectives and letting him be social with a bunch of other kids, and letting him have caregiving time from other people that aren't his main caregiver, but that are there, that are supportive and loving. And I think it's totally worth it. I got a little stressed there in the store. You saw me. Because I didn't really quite know what should I get everybody. I wanted to get thoughtful things, things that they would actually use, that they would appreciate, because I appreciate them so much. So I think this was a fun thing to go with. And I think, you know, it's totally worth it to spend a little time and give teachers. I felt bad because at Christmas, I didn't have my stuff together and I didn't give them anything for Christmas. And then I went, oh, I should give them something when they get back from Christmas break, and I totally forgot to, and so I'm trying to make up for that because I felt like a pretty cruddy person for forgetting that. But December was just crazy for us. I think this is really fun. I like it. I love doing my little mini haul, haha. But I think overall, pretty good collection, right? Fun stuff. All right, I've got sign cards, write nice thank you notes. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm also doing a thank you card with more chocolate treats to give to the little bus driver that drives. There's this little special bus that picks up the preschoolers because it helps them with independence, because a lot of these sensory processing things can lead to, you know, maybe fears of separation anxiety with their mamas or their daddies. And it's been really fun for him because he loves buses. And it is a little rough for him to take the bus without me, but overall he's happy to see me go. He's like, he knows that I'm going to be right there, that I'm right there when I drop him off, right there when I pick him up. It has been a great, fun little experience for him, and really unique, something that I didn't expect from a little preschool program. I thought they've done a good job thinking out how kids with maybe special, unique needs and high needs would need to develop these things. All right, better finish up. So this week's vlog is actually going to end about here because we are going to go RV camping, and I wanted to then do more of that as a travel vlog versus the weekly. So I thought the Weekaroo would be good as just ending here. I hope you liked coming along shopping with us and kind of seeing a little shorter part of our week. I always love bringing you all along on our Weekaroos. I think it's pretty fun. Thank you so much for subscribing. Hey, make sure you hit that little bell button, because that way you're actually going to get my videos in the subscription feed for yourself, so you can actually see one of my new videos come out. Oh, woo. Until next time, hey, feel free to check out Patreon, Instagram and Twitter, all those things that I'm on. I'll see you around. Thank you all so much for being a part of our Weekaroo.